Hey there, YouTube fam. Thanksgiving is one of those days where the house just feels different. There's laughter coming from the living room, and if you're anything like me, it's already decorated for Christmas. The game is on, and someone is always wandering into the kitchen asking, "Is it ready yet?" Last year, my husband and my brother were doing what they always do, cooking and talking about Bucks football, but they kept going back to the same thing. In 2024, they took the ultimate guys trip to Munich for the Bucks game. And you guys, they came back talking about that experience like they played in the game. And the biggest part they still can't get over, the beer. New styles, new flavors. They were comparing tasting notes like they were hosting their own Brewmaster series. And while they were reminiscing last Thanksgiving, I remember thinking, how cool would it be if my husband could actually make his own beer at home? Nothing complicated, just an easy way to recreate some of those Munich favorites. And that's when I discovered IGulu. IGulu is a fully automated home brewing system, which means you don't need any brewing knowledge, a garage full of equipment, or hours of babysitting a batch. You pick your style, the machine does the rest. We've been home brewing for a couple of months now, and the process is so simple. You'll start by choosing your brew style. IGulu has different beer kits with everything pre-measured and ready, and that includes hard ciders and kombucha. Next, you'll be ready to add your ingredients. You'll just pour in the extract and the yeast that's included in your kit. Now, he has promised he's going to let me get in here and play around with some of my own personal selections of brew kits before Super Bowl. And once he does that, I am going to give you a thorough video on how I use the iGulu to brew from start to finish. I think maybe we'll make some Super Bowl snacks and get ready for the big game. But to finish things off, you'll select your brew setting. iGulu handles the temperature control, fermentation, and timing automatically. And after that, you let the machine do the work. It walks you through each stage and prompts you if it needs anything. And that's it. You just chill and enjoy. Once it's done, you can tap it right from the machine and serve fresh, cold beer. And right now, IGulu is running the biggest deal of the year for Black Friday, which means this is a perfect time to surprise the beer lover in your life. I'll have a link in my description box for you. Now, while the turkey is in the oven or in the deep fryer in our case, we like to put together a little Thanksgiving snack board. It keeps everyone happy, snacking, and most importantly, out of the kitchen while I'm trying to finish everything else. Now, my personal favorite thing about a charcuterie or snack board is that you can completely customize them to your guests' favorite snacks. There's no wrong way to do this, but here's my go-to formula for getting it just right. One thing I always like to include is a couple different types of breads. It could be a sliced baguette, maybe a soft dinner roll, or even a rustic sourdough. They give everyone options and make the board feel a little more comforting and substantial, especially on Thanksgiving Day when the real feast is cooking. We also add in a mix of meats because my guys love a hearty board. So just a couple different varieties, and then Benjamin Buttons always adds his famous candied bacon. We also like to add a few good cheeses in there, maybe something creamy, something sharp, and something fun like a flavored cheese. And then from there, we're just gonna fill in the gaps with crackers, nuts, fruits, olives, something sweet like honey to mix and dip your cheeses with, just to balance it all out. And then I just build it out until it feels full and inviting, kind of like a pre-game before the real Thanksgiving feast. And of course, I already know what's about to happen after that. The guys will be in the living room, football on, laughing, snacking, taste testing whatever new creation my husband brewed with iGulu. It's those little moments, the storytelling, the memories that make the holidays so special. So I hope this video gave you an idea on how to link fun memories with your Black Friday purchases. I will be taking the rest of the week off to enjoy my incoming family and friends, and I will see you right back here right after Thanksgiving. God bless you and keep you during your holiday, and until next time, love and peace.